Hello friends, our today's question under root 0.64. We solve this question. Now we write 1 under decimal and 0 under 64. Now our decimal removed. Now we do factorization of 64 and 100. These are 64 factor and these are factor of 100. Now we write these factor in under root. Now we make pair of numbers. Which number make pairs? That number come out from under root. So here come out of under root of 64 and 100. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 by 2 multiplied 5. Here our 1 up and down 2 cancel to each others. So here our remains 2 multiplied 2 by 5. When 2 multiply into 2 come out 4. When we divide 4 by 5, our result come 0.8. This is our answer. Thanks for watching.